What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Realme U1, the latest Realme smartphone that comes at a price tag of nearly 15,000 rupees. I'll leave the exact price in the description box below. But this is the first smartphone to have the Helio P70 chip. It's the successor to the Helio P60 that was used on the Realme 1, the first Realme smartphone. We'll talk about all the specifications and features. So let's first quickly get the phone out of the box. So Realme has been announcing quite nice smartphones in the recent time. The Realme 2 Pro was one of the best smartphones Realme has ever announced, and it competes with the likes of Redmi Note 6 Pro and many other smartphones in its price segment thanks to a great camera and a good display. Now the Realme U1 tries to achieve the same, having a flagship MediaTek chipset and many other amazing specifications. So first up in the box you get a quick start guide, and there is a clear case, a bendable one, and we'll put it up on the phone and see how it looks like. Next is the phone itself. So I think I'll need to, okay. So the phone is gold in color, and let me pull it out of the wraps. Okay, so Realme has used the same design again. It has tried to give the back side a premium look with a shiny glass-like back, though it's again plastic, not really glass. And you'll see the fingerprint scanner, a circular fingerprint scanner given at the center. The phone again looks premium like the previous Realme smartphones, and in fact the whole design is very similar to the Realme 2 Pro. You get a volume button on the right, a split volume rocker on the left, there's a SIM tray. At the bottom you get a micro USB port, speaker grill, primary microphones, headphone jack, and there is a water drop style notch at the top with earpiece put between the display and the phone body. So this is a tried and tested Realme design, and it works pretty well. Anyways, we'll take a look at the other box contents. There is a Realme cover that says Dreams, Ambition, Courage, Power, Passion, all in one box. Next there is a big power adapter that has a 5 volt 2 ampere of output rating. That means it delivers 10 watt of output. So it's not really fast charging, but it's slightly faster than conventional chargers and may charge the phone in under 2 hours. We'll have to see once we start reviewing the smartphone. You also get a micro USB cable inside the box that has good length and quality. Let's quickly power up the device and we'll take a look at the features you get on the Realme U1. But before that, let's take a look at the full specifications of the Realme U1. The good part is that it will be available in 3 colors, blue, gold and black, and the golden color variant that we have is able to reflect light in a better fashion. I mean, it's visible clearly how it reflects light, much more than the black or the grey variant that we saw on the Realme 2 Pro. But apart from new color options, there are also many other things new on the Realme U1. Also, if you take a look at the SIM tray, you get a dedicated micro SD card slot, and you can put 2 SIM cards as well, all the while expanding the storage. Alright, so I've set up the smartphone, and this is what you get on the Realme U1. It's a slightly newer user experience, although it still runs the Color OS. Let's quickly check out the version of Android it runs. So out of the box you get Android 8.1 Oreo, and the Color OS version is 5.2. So there are slight additions. For example, on the right swipe you get this menu to quickly access applications, and you get a slightly newer icon pack. But apart from that, the interface is majorly same. You'll see a drop down menu which is done in green and white. You don't get an app drawer. All the apps are placed on the home screen, and like the previous interface, a lot of third-party apps and features clutter the home screen, some of which are not removable, others you can remove. The display quality is also very similar to the Realme 2 Pro. As we saw, it has amazing brightness levels, and the contrast on the smartphone is also pretty amazing. I don't see a color shift while tilting the smartphone That was the case with the Realme 2 Pro. And if you take a look at a YouTube video, you'll see the color production is also pretty amazing on this device. It's a full HD panel and has 19.5:9 aspect ratio. In fact, according to Realme, it has 90% of screen to body ratio, which is quite amazing. At top, there is a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And if you talk about the pixel density, it's over 400 ppi. So it's an amazing display to have in this price segment. Also, if you take a look at the fingerprint scanner speed, it's as fast as what you got on the Realme 2 Pro. And I mean, you put the finger and the display comes alive. This is amazing. Although most phones in this price segment nowadays offer a fast fingerprint scanner, similar is the case with the Realme U1. And if we take a look at the face unlock, that is also pretty fast. Let me switch to the direct face unlock and let's see how fast it is. So it opens the phone in blink of an eye. I mean, it's even faster than the fingerprint scanner, which is an amazing thing about the Realme U1. Although it may not work in all lighting conditions, in good light or in normal day-to-day use, this will come out to be really handy. Anyways, let's take a look at the camera now and let's check. As you can see, the autofocus is pretty fast, and especially if you're taking macro shots like these, the autofocus is amazing. I mean, it holds the focus pretty amazingly. Let's click a photo. The shutter speed is also pretty nice, and here you go. The photo has come out to be really sharp, and you'll see the edges are also pretty sharp, and overall it appears to be a pretty amazing camera like that of the Realme 2 Pro. But what sets apart the Realme U1 from the 2 Pro is that the front camera has a 25 megapixel resolution. So technically this is a selfie phone. This is how it comes out to be. The details, as you can see, are pretty amazing. The overall picture quality has also come out to be nice. Although again, like Realme, it has a tendency to slightly over process selfies, and as you will see, the background light not really captured correctly. But otherwise, the overall image, as you will see, is sharp, has very good amount of details, and the color and the skin tones is also now properly captured. Here are some more shots we took from the Realme U1. So the Realme U1 appears to be an amazing package like the Realme 2 Pro, and the only hiccup seems to be the interface. It's again the Color OS, which is not as versatile, smooth and clean like the stock Android, and that may hinder your experience. Otherwise, Realme U1, like the Realme 2 Pro, has amazing cameras, amazing display and amazing design, something that not many smartphone makers have not been able to match up to. Do let us know what you think about the Realme U1 in the comment section below, and if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching this video.